Hi crew, and welcome to Tuesday Story Time. Our learning target for today says, I can share ideas for how to show love and kindness to others. Yesterday, we started our project of getting ready for the summer. And yesterday, you shared ideas for how you can help yourself when you're having a tricky emotion. Today, we are going to talk about ways that we can help other people. You guys have done such an amazing job of this all year. You've learned about all different kinds of things that you can do to show gratitude, to be helpful to others, to help other people solve problems, and to help other people when they are having some tricky emotions. Today, we are going to read this story, I Am Love. And then you're going to get a chance to plan for how you will show love and kindness to others this summer. I Am Love, a book of compassion. Compassion means showing love and kindness for others. When I see someone going through a storm of hurt and unfairness, of anger and sadness, when the sun disappears and the skies grow dark, and I see there is fear, I ask myself, what can I do to help let the light back in? I put my hands on my heart and listen, and that is where I find the answer. I have compassion. I act with tenderness. I am love. I can listen and not say a word. I can be there. Love is being present. I can hug and hold and say, everything will be all right. Love is comfort. I can speak softly and choose my words and actions carefully. Love is gentle. I can give thanks for all I have and am able to share. Love is gratitude. I can keep my mind and body safe and healthy. Love is taking care of me. I can express what's important to me. Love is creative. I can know that no one is perfect. Love is understanding. I can do my best to make things better when something is wrong. Love is effort. I can celebrate those I've loved before. Love is remembering. I can find goodness in a kind word, a helping hand, or a shared smile. Love is tiny gestures. I can breathe in the air that the whole world shares and know all creatures are made from the very same stardust. Love is connection. When the clouds roll in, for others and for me, I know there is something I can do. I can let my heart lead the way. I am love. You are love. We are love. And with love, we will weather the storm and light up the sky together. I hope you enjoyed that book. I think it gave us lots of really good ideas for how we can show love to other people. We can show love by using a gentle, calm voice, by helping to plant and grow for the future, by showing forgiveness when somebody does something wrong or when they accidentally cause hurt. Now it's your turn to head back to Seesaw. This worksheet looks a lot like the one that we did yesterday, because this worksheet is also going to help you to create a toolbox of ideas for your summer. But today, instead of coming up with ideas for what you can do to feel happy and calm yourself, today you are going to come up with ideas for how to show love and kindness to others. In these 4 circles, you can write and draw to tell us how you are going to show love and kindness to others this summer.